So give the electron configuration. So we're told that the atomic number is 19. So if it's 19, we're going to have 2 in the first energy level, then 8, and 1 to get 1 mark. The potassium atom forms an ion. Give the number of protons and number of neutrons in the ion. So protons and neutrons never change. So if I just write down the information we're told it's 39, 19. So this is the number of protons, and the difference, so 39 take away 19 is 20, is the number of neutrons. So I'm looking for 19 protons and 20 neutrons, which is option B. These guys are in the same group. Explain why in terms of electrons they're in the same group. So in this case, both contain one electron in their outer energy level, and 1 mark for each statement there. Fluorine boils at this, the force between the molecules. Explain in terms of these forces why the boiling point is low. That's because the forces are weak, and in that case they do not require a lot of energy to break. And then we've got complete the balanced equation for this reaction. So all I'm going to do here is do it in a different colour. So there's 1 potassium on this side, and there are 2 fluorines. Over here I've got 1 of each. So what I need to do is times this by 2, and then this by 2, in order to get this to work. So that gives me 2 potassiums and 2 potassiums and 2 fluorines. Group 1 elements are called the alkali metals. So we've got that there as well. And then we've got, next question, we're looking here at the melting points of elements in group 7. And it says the boiling point of bromine. Give, using figure 14, the boiling point of bromine. So bromine is here, and the boiling point is the light grey one. So in this case, if we look, this would be kind of 75, so it's kind of over 50, less than 75. So any value in here between, say, 51 and 70 is going to get you the mark. Make sure you give a specific value. So for example, if I was to write down 55, I will get the mark. Don't write 51 to 70. That's just the range that they allow answers in. Give 2 elements that are solids at room temperature. So room temperature, as you can see on this scale, is here. And if we've got the melting point below that point, so here's the melting point, and it's below these 2, below the room temperature, then they will both be gases. This wants us to pick a solid. So solid is going to have one above that. So we're going to have iodine and astantine are the 2. So here we're going to put iodine and then astantine are the 2, forget 1 mark.